Good morning, students. In my last class, I have given you all the answers of number 13. Till 13 I had given you, that is, what is man-made resource, write in brief about its use with example. That much I had given you all. And today, number 14. What are the differences between renewable and non-renewable resources? Discuss briefly with examples. Now, non-renewable and renewable you will get in page number 8. Okay. So, point number 1, directly you can write point number 1. Last word of the page number 8. The resources which can be kept unexhausted. So, this sentence you write in this way: renewable resources can be kept unexhausted after use. So, the process of regeneration, the renewable resources can be kept unexhausted after use through the process of regeneration. For example, sunshine, air, water, etc. On the other hand, same paragraph, just come down. On the other hand, non-renewable resources, on the other hand, you add non-renewable resources cannot be regenerated after use and get completely exhausted For example, coal, mineral oil, minerals, copper, gold, whatever you write, right? This is point number 1. And point number 2, you can write point number 2. In comparison to renewable resource, the non-renewable resource in comparison to renewable resources, the non-renewable resources are to be used more carefully, because they cannot be created at any cost. Alright? Okay. So these 2 points are enough. It comes for 2 marks only. So 2 points enough. Then comes number 15. What is meant by conservation of resources? What is its necessity? So conservation of resources you will get in page number 10. Use of resources and conservation. There, last paragraph you see, the concept or act of possible complete utilization of any resource without any destruction and misuse is known as conservation of resources. So this is the first part, what is meant by conservation of resources. Then second part, what is its necessity? So for the second part, you change the paragraph. Okay, right. It is notable that Notable, notable that large scale utilization of natural resources due to population explosion and development of science and technology. Development of science and technology have given an indication of gradual exhaustion of many natural resources. Exhaustion, EXHAUSTION. Exhaustion of many natural resources. Full stop. Change the paragraph. Man has been, next paragraph. Man has been influencing his environment through various activities like deforestation, application of modern agricultural inputs, industrialization, etc. Full stop. It is known that forest is the storehouse of biodiversity. Forest plays an important role in integrating the major components of environment. Full stop. Therefore, degradation of rainforest, degradation of rainforest means loss of large number of plants and loss of large number of plant and animal species forever. Animal species, species, species forever. For example, many valuable plant species like Sarpagandha, 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 Kalmeg, Kalmegh, Kalmeg, Sukloti, Suklati, Sukloti, etc. And animals like golden langur, 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 Hollok gibbon, Hollok, HOOLOCK, Hollok gibbon, GIBBON, gibbon. All this you write with capital letters, golden G, langur L, Hollok H, gibbon G, all these capital letters. Pygmy hawk, after comma, Hollok gibbon, then pygmy hawk, PIGMY, HOG, hawk. Rivers, dolphin, etc. are getting extinct. Rivers, dolphin, etc. are getting extinct. Change the paragraph. Moreover, use of chemical fertilizer. Moreover, use of chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, 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 etc. Besides causing environmental pollution, have great impact on the intensity of land degradation. Change the paragraph. Apart from this, due to the growth of industries, due to the rapid growth of industries, use of motor vehicles, extraction of minerals, and modernization in the lifestyle. And modernization of lifestyle causing harm to our resources. that is I, small letter I-E. Resources are getting extinct. Resources are getting extinct and gradually vanished. Full stop. If it continues at the present rate, if it continues at the present rate, comma, it would become difficult for sustainable development. It would become difficult for sustainable development of mankind. Sustainable development of mankind. In order, after full stop, in order to overcome such serious situation, in order to overcome such serious situation, a program of conservation of resource should be taken worldwide. A program of conservation of resource should be taken worldwide. Full stop. Through conservation of resource, both the renewable and non-renewable resources can be used. Both the renewable and the non-renewable resources can be used in protecting the interest of present and future human society. Can be used in protecting the interest of present and future human society. Okay, student, today we'll stop. I think most probably in the next class I'll complete the lesson. All right? Okay.